Hi, and welcome to Empower's Driver App Tutorial Series. In this episode, we will be discussing how to adjust your rate card. So let's begin. Click the three lines on the top left corner of the app. Next, click My Rate Card. If you have an Everyday XL, Premium, or Premium XL vehicle, you will have multiple rate cards. You can adjust each rate card in the same manner. In this example, we will be adjusting the Everyday rate card. You have the option of changing any field, including your minimum fare, base fare, per minute, per mile, and surge by clicking either the plus or minus button. When you are finished making adjustments, simply click Submit. Please note, if you set your rate card at a level that is significantly higher than the suggested amount, you will receive a pop-up making you aware that setting your rates too high may result in fewer ride requests, as Empower's matching algorithm takes distance, time, and pricing into account before matching a driver with a rider. Setting your rate card too low is also not recommended, as it will result in lower earnings. To accept, click Yes. You can also change any custom amount by clicking directly on the amount you wish to change, entering the new value, and clicking Done, then click Submit. You can return to the suggested rate card at any time by clicking the toggle button near the bottom right below Surge, and click Submit.